Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1637. Widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. Given n points on a 2D plane, the points of I is xi, yi. Return the widest vertical area between 2 points such that no points are inside the area. A vertical area is an area of fixed wave extending infinitely along the y-axis, infinite height. The widest vertical area is the one with the maximum width. Note the points on the edge of a vertical area are not including in the area. So let's try to solve it. You can see on the example 1 graph there are 4 points and they have 3 x coordinates, 7, 8 and 9. So we need to find the widest difference between x coordinates. So initially we need to extract x coordinates from the input list. After it, we need to get unique set of x coordinates, and after it need to sort it. Finally, when we have sorted list of x coordinate, we need to find the maximum difference between two coordinates. So let's do it. First of all, let's extract x coordinate. We can do it like this. After it, let's get unique set of x coordinates. To do it, we can convert 2 times to set and back to list and sort it. Now we need to define result variable with 0 as default value, and in a loop let's check all points in range from 1 to length of x. In each iteration we will calculate the distance between current coordinate and the previous one and update result with maximum value of previous result and current distance, which is x of I minus x of I minus 1, and finally return result. Let's check tests. Yeah, it works. Submit it. It also works fine. It's very efficient. This algorithm has time complexity O of n log n because we sorted x coordinates. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.